How to book a Grab car for other person. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book a Grab car for another person. First, open the Grab app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the car option. In the Where To field, enter the destination or search for the location your friend or family member needs to go to. Now use the map to set the pickup location where the other person will be picked up. You can manually enter the address or drag the pin on the map. Then, tap on Choose this pickup to confirm the location. After that, select the right type, like economy or any other available option based on your preference. Finally, confirm the booking. Make sure to share the driver's details with the person you're booking the ride for so they can easily identify their ride. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.